you've got this wonderful plastic furniture out in your yard. It's getting a little bit of mold on it. You need to get it off. I'm Cynthia Deere. I'm with Three's Company 2, and I'm going to show you how to remove mold off your plastic furniture. First thing you want to do is, if you've got a cushion, remove it. The next thing you're going to do is grab some soapy water, use your sponge, wipe it down. Use a little elbow grease if need be. Wipe it all down. You're going to rinse it with water, and then you'll dry it off. Now, if you have a real problem, you might need to use another product, a stronger product than just your soapy water. You can use your 409 or another product very similar. And again, you would just put the product right on your furniture, on the plastic, wipe it down. I recommend rinsing it off with some clean water and then drying it or letting it air dry. So, I'm Cynthia Deere. This was how to clean mold off of your plastic furniture. Have a great day.